Canton, Ohio, August 2024. What began as a routine shoplifting investigation inside a Walmart store quickly escalated into a life-threatening encounter involving a police officer. According to body-worn camera footage and store security video, officers were questioning two suspects in a back office when the situation suddenly turned dangerous. During the interaction, the male suspect was found to have outstanding warrants. As officers attempted to take him into custody, an unexpected struggle unfolded, prompting an immediate emergency response. A critical malfunction and a swift intervention by a bystander prevented the incident from resulting in a fatal outcome. The suspect was taken into custody at the scene and now faces multiple serious charges, including attempted murder of a police officer, along with weapons and drug-related offenses. Authorities later confirmed that the officer involved was not injured.
Come on, guys. Here we go. In here, guys.
Why do we have to go in?
Because that's the way it is. Have a seat. You got anything on you I need to know about? Why'd your hand in your pockets?
It's not falling.
I'm gonna pat you down real quick, alright?
That's cool.
Nothing on you was gonna poke me, stab me?
No. Good dealio. It's just just take them out, dealio.
Okay, go ahead and see. Nothing on you that I need to know about?
I do have this, this shit I stole. This bag and shit.
What's in there?
They only pay for the gift card. Yeah.
Go ahead and see for me. Anything else in there I should know about, my man? Yeah, come on.
I have a valid prescription for him. If you'd like to see that, to pull that up like on my shirt.
Okay.
Or like my pharmacy, you can see it's prescribed. What I did? You stole?
Katarina?
Right.
What's your name?
What's up?
What's your name? Xavier what?
I don't have to give my last.
Because, my man, if you don't cooperate, I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
Xavier Wells. I'll give you my real social.
I figured that was not right. Well, thank you for that.
Are we going to get you?
Unless something crazy happens.
I told her not to steal, bro.
You didn't take a so look it up on her. You watch you walk over and put an item in the bag off the shelf.
There's a universe, please.
5550.
Hey! No! No, shit! No! Stop!
Eat up! Give us your hands. Now! Don't touch it. Do not touch anything.
Don't say that.
Well, now, if we send me some units.
You have to come in front.
193 also send me supervisor.
You adjust these standards so you like respiratory like lower.
reason, the only reason why I did that, bro, is because I wanted to run, bro.
Like that's so much worse for yourself.
Bro, can you just shoot me? Seriously, say that. I'm in handcuffs, bro. I'm not just If you ask me a question, you don't have to dig me up like that, bro. What's important?
Chain in there.
Just shoot me. Just shoot me, bro. Good?
Yeah.
Just shoot me.
No, we're almost down. You good?
Huh?
I'm not getting up.
Yeah, good. That's important.
We're almost to 30
This will be fun, yes. She with him? Yeah. You don't have anything on you, right?
Copy.
Guns over there.
Any car not out of Walmart, you can slow down.
You got any weapon on you?
No. I still have my phone.
False name. Good buddies? Yeah. I mean, he was real close to being shot. Come here. Come over here. Pat him down to get that. Do you want her in a cruiser? Yes.
That's my stuff.
We'll get it. We'll get it.
Okay.
It is?
Good.
Probably have to stay in the room out so we can talk. Let's probably do that.
245. What's your email today?
Pull down. I'm going to grab my face.
What's your email today?
I saw it though. I just barely saw it get it. Pulled it out. And I was right there. It was like this. Click. So I jump up. Conrad has the tackle, so I couldn't get shot off.
Do you have one in the chamber?
Yeah? I don't know if you have one in the chamber.
I'll go grab my camera and take pictures of all.
I don't know if this is something you want BCI for, but I mean, there's no evidence really, but
I mean, it's attempted murder.
it is attempted murder. He would have. Oh, he would have got me for sure. For a simple. Well, he had a warrant that he tried to lie about. Yeah.
Do you have a laser on it? When he pulled it out?
Oh yeah.
Did it
Yeah.
shine at you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because that was the first thing I saw.
They're manslaughter.
But he racked it. He like pulled the trigger with the racket. Conrad like came over because I got up and I was like this. Conrad's on, like get off of him, but then the kid gave up. I'm gonna have to call. He got struck a couple times, but I don't think he had his head covered.
Good. Sorry, what's happened?
He pointed right at my face and pulled the trigger
Where'd they go?
under the seat.
Hold on. Who all was in here?
All of us. Well, 3 APME.
You're out, so we'll do the investigation. Where they at?
Would be that.
Actual
Down here.
shots fired.
All right. Chill out over there for a minute.
He ended up tossing the gun? No, he ended up dropping it because he went to rack it. As he racked it, Conrad tackled him and it fell down. Sarge, I don't know if you want the DB out here for this. Get these two for theft. I'm in here, they're cooperative. He's being kind of weird, but he hands me that full of pills. Okay. So I do pat him down, but I didn't get his pouch that he had. So as I'm sitting there, he lies about his name, finally tells me it's in inquiry. Just told me he's got 881. So he's armed and dangerous. As soon as he does that, he pulls a gun out, puts it on my head, pulls the trigger, it doesn't go off. Conrad comes over here to tackle him. I draw. He ends up giving up. I couldn't take a shot because Conrad was on him, but gun's over there.
Okay. Leave.
I think they have the suspect.
Yeah, there's two suspects.
Okay, you guys. Okay, then you guys run down. Start getting. You got the male or female?
We have the female.
Get running all her stuff. Let's get her Form 8 going and get her out the county.
Her charge is going to be theft.
That's all. I was going to release him. That was the thing. Like, it was just going to be a summons.
Did she do anything during all this?
I mean, not the
Just
gun
the
part,
theft,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
She has
So
two
we can get her and cut her. Like, give her.
Do you want
pocket?
She has two bullets.
Make sure she's not under disability. If she is, fair with that too.
you want DB to interview her though?
You know what? Yeah.
ID's already coming.
We'll go to headquarters.
You good?
I'm good. He did get struck a couple times with my fist.
That's fine. That's. I mean, the fact that that's there. And did you undo the mag, or did that just come out?
Came out when it fell.
Okay, so he probably didn't have it seated, hence the jam. And
Who is he?
Shane Newman. He doesn't have. I didn't even get to hear what his warrant's for.
I've arrested.
nothing serious, so it's gonna be a lead.
Yeah. You know what? I arrested him. He had 237 bromazine pills. I got him with trafficking. He went to prison. Yep, those ones though. Those actually may be
Xannies?
no fentanyl. Yeah, that's exactly what he was selling when I pulled him over with that girl. Or it was a different girl. The girl was real skinny. He had 237 of them.
Do you have a gun too?
No, he just had to go.
Well, he's got prior drug, drugs, illegal conveyance of weapon, providence in a detention facility. That alone makes him under disability.
Well, I mean, I think his victim's going to be attempted murder of a
Well,
police
yeah,
officer.
but if I can also, I'm going to call GAMS because if we can put anything federally on him too, we'll go that route.
Authorities later confirmed that the suspect was secured without further incident. Evidence collected at the scene included a firearm and a large quantity of suspected controlled substances. Investigators stated that the case remains under review as additional charges are finalized. The officer involved described the outcome as narrowly avoiding a fatal encounter and credited the quick actions of a bystander for preventing a far more serious result. Officials emphasized that the situation highlights how rapidly routine calls can escalate and the importance of situational awareness in public spaces. No civilians were reported injured. The investigation remains ongoing,